Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A weathered, light gray wooden porch, featuring a front door with a rustic, slightly vintage feel. Wooden planks make up the porch floor, showing signs of age and use. Plants, ferns, and greenery are strategically placed around the porch, filling the space with a natural, organic ambience. A rocking chair with a light gray/cream colored throw, and a wooden loom-like structure, are visible. Antique or vintage-style teal lanterns add warm, golden ambient lighting. The house siding is a mix of light gray and white weathered wood. The background is slightly out of focus, but shows more of the surrounding foliage and greenery, providing depth to the scene. The colors are muted, with natural tones and warm light filtering through. A serene, contemporary Zen garden exterior, hyperrealistic rendering. Large sliding glass doors open onto a light beige gravel-raked garden area, with carefully placed rocks and bonsai trees. Focus on the dappled sunlight filtering through the trees. A large, modern, light beige/white structure, resembling a Japanese house, with a slatted wooden roof overhangs the garden. A round, light beige/off-white paper lantern hangs from the roof. Small potted plants and low stone/rock formations line the edges of a well-maintained Zen garden space. Muted earth tones, with touches of verdant greens from the bonsai trees and other foliage. Natural daylight fills the space, creating soft shadows. A serene, contemporary Zen garden exterior, hyperrealistic rendering. Large sliding glass doors open onto a light beige gravel-raked garden area, with carefully placed rocks and bonsai trees. Focus on the dappled sunlight filtering through the trees. A large, modern, light beige/white structure, resembling a Japanese house, with a slatted wooden roof overhangs the garden. A round, light beige/off-white paper lantern hangs from the roof. Small potted plants and low stone/rock formations line the edges of a well-maintained Zen garden space. Muted earth tones, with touches of verdant greens from the bonsai trees and other foliage. Natural daylight fills the space, creating soft shadows. A modern wooden deck extends from a minimalist house, overlooking a lush, park-like garden. The deck, made of warm brown wood planks, features a fire pit in the center and gray/beige cushions. A gravel bed surrounds the deck, leading to a variety of green plants and trees, creating a serene ambience. A field of grass is visible beyond the garden. The house has large windows and a dark gray/charcoal exterior, contrasting with the warm wooden deck. Natural light filters through the trees, casting soft shadows. The scene is rendered in a hyper-realistic style, emphasizing the textures of wood, plants, and stone. Focus on the details of the foliage and the smooth surface of the deck. Hyper-realistic outdoor patio scene, modern minimalist house with wooden siding and large glass doors, decked wooden patio with brown planks, large comfortable light beige/gray sofa and cushions on the deck, hanging egg-shaped chair, decorative stone planters, large smooth light gray boulders/rocks scattered around the patio, lush greenery and vegetation with various plants, trees and shrubs, natural light, warm earthy tones, impressionistic bouquet in the background creating a sense of depth. Peaceful and relaxing atmosphere, soft shadows, subtle details in the plants and rocks, a focus on texture and natural materials, calm and serene ambience, detailed foliage showing leaves and texture of various plants. A cozy, outdoor seating area, styled in a coastal/beach house aesthetic. Hyperrealistic rendering. Whitewashed walls with wooden beams and support structures. A wooden daybed or chaise lounge with light beige/off-white cushions upholstered in navy and white striped fabric. 2 rope-style hanging pendant lights, light gray/taupe in color, hang from the ceiling. Wooden swing sets/chairs are seen on the structure. Intricate patterned woven textiles, rugs, baskets, in navy and white stripes, accented with woven natural wood elements. Various potted plants, palm, ferns, etc., add a touch of greenery and are white, beige, light brown planters. Floor is a pale beige/off-white. A rustic, wooden porch overlooking a scenic hillside landscape. Hyperrealistic rendering. Pale wood planks form the porch floor, weathered and light gray-white. Rustic, light brown wooden beams and posts support a covered porch. Aged, weathered wood siding covers the walls of the house. Antique-style wooden doors in a rich golden brown. Soft, cream-colored armchairs with knitted throws are placed on the porch. Potted plants and succulents in terracotta and brown pots add pops of greenery. A light, warm, golden hour sunset light bathes the scene, casting warm golden and amber tones on the porch and hillside. A cozy, secluded outdoor seating area, hyperrealistic, dappled sunlight filtering through a wooden pergola structure. Wooden slatted walls, filled with lush green potted plants, create a tranquil, private space. A light beige/gray modular sectional sofa, with various neutral and earthy tone throw pillows, sits in the center, inviting relaxation. An antique-style, low wooden coffee table sits nearby, with a colorful patterned rug beneath. The wooden floor is a rich brown/orange, showing natural wood grain. Plants of various types and sizes including ferns, succulents, and larger tropical foliage like monstera, add to the lush, green atmosphere. A spacious, sun-drenched covered porch, hyper-realistic, with a light beige/cream painted house. Wooden floorboards, white columns. A woven hammock in a golden/yellow color hangs over a seating area. Soft cream-colored and beige upholstered chairs and ottomans, with textured throw pillows and a patterned rug. Small, round coffee tables and decorative pots holding pink flowers. A ceiling fan is present. Lush green trees and plants frame the porch, creating a natural backdrop filled with warm sunlight. Deep greens, yellows, and pinks, with light beige tones dominating the color palette. Bohemian or farmhouse-style decor. Focus on the details of the fabrics, textures, and plant life. A cozy, rustic winter porch scene. Impressionistic, yet detailed, focusing on warm, inviting atmosphere. Wooden porch with dark brown planks, covered in a soft, textured cream/beige area rug with subtle patterns. A large rustic wooden crate and a weathered metal lantern are placed on the floor. Soft, warm lighting from candles in lanterns and string lights. Several throw blankets in various shades of beige, cream, and tan are draped over an outdoor wooden bench that is partially visible. Pillows in muted, neutral tones are around it. Outdoor potted evergreens, like a pine or juniper tree, embellished with soft snow, sit on the porch. A covered outdoor patio area, hyper-realistic style, featuring a wooden deck with a repeating pattern of small holes, light brownish-orange wood planks. Dark gray metal planters, holding various green plants, line the edge of the deck. Dark gray/charcoal colored outdoor furniture, including a couple of lounge chairs and a sofa, are placed on the deck. The patio is supported by dark gray/charcoal pillars and has a wooden ceiling with a warm, reddish-brown wood grain. Beyond the patio, an area of landscaping with various plants and shrubs is visible. A modern, light gray/white home is in the background. A forested area is partially visible, providing depth to the scene. A modern, minimalist, and tropical-inspired outdoor living space. A wooden deck, light brown/tan in color, with visible wood grain, extends from a modern, light beige/gray-toned concrete building. The deck is surrounded by lush greenery, various tropical plants, and potted succulents in varying shades of green and brown. A small, zen-like rock garden is visible near the edge of the deck. Inside, a minimalist living area with light beige/cream-colored furniture, a wooden staircase, and a light-toned kitchen counter are visible through large sliding glass doors. Impressionistic, with a focus on the interplay of light and shadows cast by the foliage and architecture, and textures present in the wooden deck and plants. A secluded, outdoor hot tub nestled within a lush, overgrown forest canopy. Hyperrealistic rendering. Warm, soft lighting from candles and lanterns, illuminating the bubbling hot tub and the surrounding wooden deck. The hot tub is filled with a light gray/slightly off-white water, showcasing the bubbles and gentle heat.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.